Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper, on Wednesday. No, it's today. Today on Wednesday, we have no additional, no extra puzzles. No, it's the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 24th, 2022. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic and the binary. Because the 1-star Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, I've just solved this a minute ago. So now it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4606 it will be. 4606. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. And now, well. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2, we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Do we need to compare? Come on. I think we need to compare. 3, 1, 3, 3. No. Come on. 10. Do we have a 10 here? Yes, this column, this row, and that row. 1 1. 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We need to compare again. But which? I think the columns we need to compare. We have this one and that one. 1 1, empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. Need to compare twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.